Okay, so on the ES right now, the high of this bar is at 550. It's a 7-tick range, so you want to sell 8 ticks below the top of the bar. That would make it 350 right here is what you want to sell. Right, so we need a down close, and the down close, if it happens right now, I know the top just moved up, it's 906, it's going to be 904. The down close would be at 4 1/4. Okay, and there it is, and I just shorted right there. It gave me 2 ticks of slip, or 1 tick of slip actually. But this is it right here. Now after it gives 4 ticks into profit, we're going to bump our stop to break even. Right, it's got to get down to right there. Now our stop goes to break even. I'll get rid of that. Now price should get down to right here. Now that's part of today's lesson plan, is knowing why price should get down to there. But price should get down to right there. But for now, we don't have any risk on the trade. We have 1 tick, no ticks in profit locked in. We have break even. We have break even right here. Right, now price should push all the way down here, and there it goes. I'm going to lock in 2 ticks on this right now. And give it a little bit of room to breathe here. And it should go right down here to 900.5. The swing low is actually right there at 900.5 also. Alright, well, we're out with 2 ticks in profit on that. But the swing low is down there at 900.5 also. So every time you take a trade, what it should do is get all the way down to the prior swing low. Alright, so if you haven't taken a free trial with us, again, go out here to mytradingiq.com, sign up for the free trial.